Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the linked double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. We're going to start making our first linked double crochet. You're going to be using this loop right here in the double crochet you just made. So this is going to be the top of the double, the bottom, and this middle loop right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. Insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. This is where you're going to complete it like a regular double crochet. Yarn over, take this yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take this yarn through 2 loops. And that's going to be 1 linked double crochet. You're going to continue on making linked double crochet stitches using this middle loop of the one you just made. So it's going to be this loop right here. You're going to insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through that loop, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. Yarn over, take that through the last 2 loops. Insert your hook into this middle loop of the linked double crochet you just made. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. You're now going to continue making linked double crochet stitches for the rest of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Using the first chain that you made out of these 2 at the beginning of our row, you're going to insert your hook into that first chain and grab that yarn and pull it through. This chain is essentially acting like the middle loop of the previous linked double crochets. So just like you inserted your hook into that loop of those double crochets, you're doing the same thing here. So then you're going to just continue on into this next stitch like you normally would. Insert your hook into that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. You're now going to continue like a regular double crochet. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. So it's essentially linking that linked double crochet into those 2 chains at the beginning of our row. You're going to continue making linked double crochets for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the linked double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.